Hi, my name is Jarrett Struby, and this is my introductory video for AEP 858 Data Analysis, um, Spring 2019. A little bit about me is I've been teaching at Washington High School in Kansas City, Kansas for 5 years. I teach physics and chemistry and physical science. I am the science chair at my school. Basically, I'm the one who makes sure that everyone has all the who places orders, make sure everyone has everything they need, and kind of get everyone on the same page. This is my second year as a mentor to new teachers and second-year teachers. It's a lot of time, but I find it very rewarding. It's probably one of my favorite parts of the job. I've also been involved in curriculum development and updating our science, chemistry, and physics curriculum to align with the next generation of science standards. I'm also part of the building improvement team to kind of improve our culture in our building. Personally, I'm married, and we have a daughter who's going to be turning 2 pretty soon. And outside of teaching and my family, I'm also involved in performing live music, specifically the bass guitar. So our district process is, the best way I can explain this is that it is inconsistent but improving. When I first started teaching in the district, data wasn't really used to make decisions. We would see data and use some data, but we didn't really we didn't collect a lot of data outside of like test scores, and we definitely didn't really analyze it to get a lot of information out of it. We took it pretty much at face value. However, it has become a district priority to actually start collecting and using data and analyzing data on a regular basis, and we do have quite a few teachers who are really excellent at collecting and analyzing data. I've learned from them. I'm looking forward to learning more. My understanding of data and analysis is pretty incomplete. Even my science background gives me a little leg up in that I am familiar with collecting data and analyzing it, but that is more of in a sense of like chemistry, and not necessarily in these like the social sense that we would gather data on students and make decisions from there. So I'm pretty good on how to gather data. We do that every day as teachers. Where I'm a little iffy is how do we analyze this data, and how do we get the information that we are wanting out of it. My plan for this class is to read everything that the instructor gives us, to watch all the videos, and just absorb the information best I can through the modules. I also look forward to engaging peers. I think we learn a lot from each other in these classes, and of course seeking the guidance of those experts that I work with on a daily basis. I look forward to working with everyone, and hope everyone has a nice semester.